Jai Gurudev, my name is Adikrit and today I am going to be talking about organic farming. So what is organic farming? Well, organic farming is a method which aims at cultivating the land and raising crops in such a way that the soil is kept alive and in good health by use of organic waste such as crops, plants and animal waste and aquatic waste. Now we will learn what are the benefits of organic farming. Some of the benefits are a reduction in food waste, lower production costs, better soil and water quality, improved pest control, more organic products, and reduced fuel emissions and less foodborne diseases. The organic farming process is more eco-friendly than conventional farming. Organic farming keeps the soil healthy and maintains environment integrity, thereby promoting the health of the consumers. Moreover, the organic produce market is now the fastest growing market all over the world, including in India. It helps reduce CO2 emissions and it saves around 500 million pounds of synthetic material for pesticides. Now, after hearing all these advantages, you may be thinking, why did organic farming stop getting used? As we know, organic farming has been used for more than 5,000 centuries. But nowadays, synthetic pesticides has become the new normal. Well, in the late 90s, synthetic pesticides started to gain popularity and was being used in many countries. This was because they were cheaper, easier to make, faster to produce. Schemes were started promoting the use of synthetic pesticides by giving them for free, and most people accept things for free. Am I right? So many farmers made the switch, and hence farming became the new normal. But synthetic farming was not without its disadvantages. It may have been good at the short term, but in the long term, it had many negative effects. Synthetic fertilizers kill beneficial microorganisms in the soil that convert dead human and plant remains into nutrient rich organic matter. So basically, it removes all the humus. Then, nitrogen and phosphorus based synthetic fertilizers leach into groundwater and increase its toxicity, and this causes water pollution. Synthetic fertilizers increase the nitrate levels of soils, and plants produced from such soil upon consumption convert into toxic nitrites in the intestines. These harmful nitrites react with the hemoglobin in the bloodstream to cause damage to the vascular and respiratory systems, causing suffocation and even death. Synthetic fertilizers damage the natural makeup of soil in the long term. Plants that grow in overly fertilized soils are deficient in iron, zinc, carotene, vitamin C, copper, and protein. Synthetic fertilizers also increases the number of GMOs. What are GMOs? GMOs are genetically modified organisms. There is a small chance that these genes in food can transfer to the cells in the body or bacteria in the stomach. Some GMO plants contain genes that make them resistant to certain antibiotics and medicines. This resistance could pass on through generations. So, this reduces the number of medicines that you can have. So, as we see, we must stop synthetic fertilizers. No matter how good they are at the moment, they will not be better in the coming times. Organic farming should be made the new normal, and we all can do it together. If we buy more organic products, farmers will understand that these things will be more useful and give them more money, and hence they will move to organic farming. And this would help us a lot, and this would stop many diseases, people dying to cancer due to these GMOs. It will stop synthetic fertilizer ruining all the food that we have in our everyday life. This is why we must together bring organic farming back to the forefront and make it the brand new normal. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.